तो जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम ज्ञानकुंज गया तो मैंने वहाँ पर जाकर देखा कि बच्चे काफ़ी ज़्यादा टैलेंटेड हैं, काफ़ी ज़्यादा मतलब मुझे ये कहने में काफ़ी बिल्कुल भी संकोच नहीं कि वो अ, हम सबसे काफ़ी ज़्यादा टैलेंटेड है।
So it had been 2 years since I started supporting Gyankunj, though there are many NGOs in Delhi that focus on education. But I chose Gyankunj primarily because of three reasons. The first being I have first-handedly seen how effectively and efficiently education is imparted at Gyankunj. Education, I think, is something that requires not just the theoretical concept to be taught, but to personally relate with the students, understand their problems, and guide them towards their desired career goals. And that's what I have been seen happening at Gyankunj. Second, and another important reason that forms my support for Gyankunj is that I know the founder, Aman Thakur, personally. Like any other organization, it is extremely important for an NGO to also have a visionary. I see that dedication in Aman, who is working wholeheartedly to bring that change. He, as I see, doesn't just teach the students, he takes care of them just like their own brother, and that's what makes the whole difference. I've seen how during the COVID he worked on distributing rations, and that shows how closely he is connected to students and their families. The third and the final reason is that the basic challenge that the students face is employability. So, apart from bookish knowledge, they are also made to learn various art. And the most recent initiative, Sui Dhaga, was really very impressive. So, students in this way are getting all round excellence and development at Gyankunj, and that's what make this NGO really unique and pushes me to support more and more during the past and in future.
Hello. Personally, I feel it's a privilege to be part of the Gyankunj family. I believe every child deserves an opportunity to showcase his or her talent, to bring out, to harness his or her talent. And I think Gyankunj has given that platform to so many kids. I feel just being part of this family, just by contributing in small ways, I'm able to help and support these kids, to bring out their talents, to be able to do what they want. I think that's one of the reasons why I support Gyankunj. What Aman and his team are doing, it's fantastic, and we are just playing a small part as contributors. But yes, it's a huge step. It's a huge step which his team has taken, and I just feel that by contributing in small ways, I'm able to support the society. I'm able to support these kids, for them to have a brighter future. For them to be able to feel that yes, they're not alone in their struggles. I think yes, that gives me a peace of mind, gives me a peaceful sleep, and I think that's one of the reasons why I am associated with Gyan Kunj. Thank you to the team. Thank you to everyone who is associated with this family, to take this initiative and to run this initiative so well. Thank you.
My name is Prashant. I'm an engineer by profession and currently working as an R&D engineer with Synopsys. I want to say a few words about Gyankunj. As we all know that in a country like India where there's a pool of talented children, a lot of children miss out on important opportunities because of their family problem, financial constraint, and sometimes lack of awareness. And this is where Gyan Kunj comes into picture. It is a beautiful initiative. It tries to bridge the gap between the children who are looking out for opportunities but they lack awareness. So Gyan Kunj provide these children with the opportunities, teaches them, it upskills them, and finally transforms their life. I have been supporting Gyan Kunj for last 8 9 months, and I will continue to do so because there's no better thing than helping someone selflessly.
As Mahatma Gandhi said, to attain real peace in the world, it's important that we start educating children. Wonderful thing what my friend Aman has started with Gyan Kunj. It really fills with me with joy and happiness to see the success and the impact that Gyan Kunj is having on the lives of children who deserve better access to education, better support. Empowerment through education is extremely needed today, especially in today's digital world, which throws up immense opportunities. Vanished borders. Now we sitting in India can work together with people sitting in US, which was not possible many years ago. And so it is very important that our children who are in school and just entering college, they are given the right digital literacy programs so that leverage the opportunities that are presented through the innovations.
Hi guys, I am Pankaj. I am currently working as a software engineer at LinkedIn. जैसा कि आप सब लोगों को पता है कि किसी भी देश, समाज और परिवार की उन्नति में शिक्षा एक महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभा सकती है, पर हमारे देश में बहुत बड़ा वर्ग ऐसा है जो जागरूकता और गरीबी के कारण इन शिक्षा से वंचित रह जाता है। ज्ञानकुंज उसी दिशा में बेहतरीन काम कर रही है। वो वहाँ ऐसे वर्गों के बच्चों को पढ़ा रही है, उनको मोटिवेट कर रही है, उनको सही दिशा दे रही है, ताकि वो लोग अपने जीवन को और अपने परिवार के जीवन को एक बेहतर स्तर पर ला सकें। उनको देखकर उनको परिवारों को देखकर और परिवार के लोग भी मोटिवेट हो रहे हैं ताकि वो अपने बच्चों को शिक्षा की क्षेत्र में भेजें। इस दिशा में इसलिए मेरे को आई एम सपोर्टिंग द ज्ञानकुंज एंड दे आर डूइंग ए ग्रेट वर्क। कीप इट अप गाइस, kudos to you.
Hello everyone, myself Akash Nagan. I'm a civil engineer by profession and I'm associated with Gyankunj for the last 2 years. The reason why I joined Gyankunj is Aman. In a place where crime is very prevalent among the teenagers, so it was very challenging, and I think every one of us wants to do something for such people, for such kids, but कहीं ना कहीं हमारे पास वो ज़रिया नहीं होता। तो अमन एक वो ज़रिया था मेरे लिए। जब इनिशियली मैंने ज्ञानकुंज को सपोर्ट करना शुरू किया था तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश था।
Hello Gyankunj family, कैसे हो आप लोग? I am Kaushal. So today I wanted to share with you why I support Gyankunj. So guys, देखो काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है when kids are getting education and achieving their dreams, and especially girls who are in future for sure you will be very independent and will do good things, and I feel very good that I am a part of Gyankunj family through Aman sir. And Aman sir, it is for you. You are doing very good, and also your other friends. That it's very rare people leave comfortable things and do things for the society. You are a very good example which you have set for us, and I have been seeing you for last 2-3 days as you are also our alumni of our college. So keep doing everything in the same way, and the kids of Gyankunj, all the best for you and for your life. May you achieve every dream of yours.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम शुभम है एंड मैं ज्ञानकुंज को पिछले 2 साल से फॉलो कर रहा हूँ। एंड ईयर ऑन ईयर ज्ञानकुंज की प्रोग्रेस देख के काफ़ी इंस्पायरिंग फील होता है, बिकॉज एवरी ईयर ज्ञानकुंज काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स को टीच करता है, काफ़ी सारे सब्जेक्ट्स, एंड उनको जो सारे बेसिक मैथमेटिक्स कॉन्सेप्ट्स हो गए, फिर साइंस के कॉन्सेप्ट्स हो गए, काफ़ी अच्छे से ब्रेक डाउन करके एकदम बिल्कुल ही सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बच्चों को इंट्रोड्यूस कराता है। एंड स्पेशली जो एक बहुत बड़ा गैप है लोअर इनकम ग्रुप स्टूडेंट्स में, जिनके पास एक्सेस टू रिसोर्सेज लाइक अच्छा टीचिंग मटेरियल हो गया, अच्छी टीचर्स के कॉन्सेप्ट्स हो गए, एंड एक्सेस टू इंटरनेट हो गया, जिस पे वो अपने जाके एक डाउट्स क्लैरिफाई कर सके, या फिर वो और ज़्यादा रेलेवेंट कंटेंट ढूंढ सके, या फिर वो और ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्सप्लोर कर सके किसी टॉपिक पे। तो ये सारी स्किल्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूज़फुल है, एंड ज्ञानकुंज काफ़ी अच्छे से ये इम्पार्ट कर रहा है लोअर इनकम ग्रुप स्टूडेंट्स में। ऑल्सो ज्ञानकुंज के जो साइड इनिशिएटिव्स होते हैं, दे आर ऑल्सो वेरी यूज़फुल एंड वेरी इंस्पायरिंग टू सी। जैसे कि ड्यूरिंग कोविड टाइम्स ज्ञानकुंज लेड दिस इनिशिएटिव ऑफ फूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन across their neighborhoods, एंड हमने देखा था कि दे वर एबल टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट अराउंड 100 to 200 फूड पैकेट्स to the people living nearby their organization and their address, and how they were able to provide food during COVID times जब everything was stand still, हर कोई social distancing की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा ही restrictions थी, but still they made sure कि जितने भी लोग थे उनके आसपास सबको food की access मिले. And even now they are running this initiative of teaching sewing to kids, and they're upskilling them in a way जिससे कि they can become students can become self independent in future. So this is extremely inspiring, and I would like to see Gyan Kunj continue these initiatives, and this is amazing. I would really like all the people to follow Gyan Kunj and see what they are up to and help them.
Hi guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. I support Gyan Kunj because I found this is a very good platform to help the needy students, and Aman is very good. He is very helpful.
Hello everyone, this is Dipanshu Gupta. The first time I visited the Gyan Kunj, it was literally scintillating as atmosphere. You could sense a kind of pride within those children, a sense of confidence which you can't expect who are studying in a government school. From that particular a pride, a confidence, you could sense the amount of hard work Gyan Kunj has done in their lives. When I visited there, I just asked them, I just described them about my projects, which I was doing. Basically, I'm a civil engineer, so the project which I was doing, and the kind of question which they asked me I was literally spellbounded with them. Not only that, Gyan Kunj has also worked hard during those COVID times, providing ration to each and every family. There was a target which they gave themselves, and really they worked. They really provided a kind of happy atmosphere to many families during those very difficult times when the lockdown was there. So, and in the end, I just wish all the best to Gyan Kunj and say go ahead with it. Thank you.
Hello Gyan Kunj, this is Prince Garg. Gyan Kunj is a great initiative to provide the mentorship to the students who cannot afford the costly tuitions, just to ensure that every students can do their best in their academic. Gyan Kunj have the best teacher to provide the mentorship to the students. Gyan Kunj also conducting the extracurricular activities for the students so that they can come up and show up their talent in their different field like the painting, drawing, writing, etc. Many such more activities are there which Gyan Kunj conducting on regular basis so that every children can grow themselves, can explore themselves.
As we stand on the cusp of a new year, it's quite an enjoyable time for us all. Kudos to the team Gyan Kunj for what they have been doing and definitely the impact that they are going to have in the new year. So, Merry Christmas and a happy New Year. Cheers. Have a good time.
And Gyan Kunj is doing a wonderful job, and I wish the entire team of Gyan Kunj good luck and all the children all the very best for their future. Keep learning, keep rising. Thank you.